Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to mute conversation on Messenger application. It's very simple and easy. Watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. First of all, open Messenger and select the person you want to mute conversation with. I'm selecting this first one for now. After selecting the person, you will see this eye icon on the top right corner. So tap on it. Then under his name you will see mute option. Tap on it. Here you will see three options. First one is to mute message notifications, second one is to mute call notifications, and third one is to mute both message and call notifications. So select according to your requirement and tap on OK. Here select for how long you want to mute. You can select any option according to your need. I am selecting this last one until I change it. Then tap on OK and the conversation with this person muted. This is how you can mute conversation on Messenger application.